Yeah, so one thing I can say about Jamaica is that, man, Jamaica is just like Ghana, Africa, man. The telephone cables, electric cables, the light, the way of living, man, the same thing. It's though the language that changes, you know? Dokuno. How do you say Dokuno? Say it again.
Dokuno.
We say Dokuno.
Okay.
Oh. Yeah, so the taxi.
Boya boya boy, boya boya boy.
Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This your boy Cookie with Sindaco, I'm back again. Yes, I'm still in Jamaica, Kingston, yeah. And today I'm here with Tamara.
In Kingston too.
Yeah.
Jamaica.
It is what it is.
15 minutes away from the airport.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So we're heading to Coronation Market, yeah. The biggest market in Jamaica, Kingston. And she's my tour guide today. Is that?
Me accept my level, no me no afraid of all. Now sell my soul to no devil.
Oh, go on. Hello. Okay, so over here is a joint over here. They sell fresh food stuffs and vegetable. Yeah, you can see Kingston. I'm from Africa and we have similar stuff over here.
Nigeria?
No, Ghana.
Oh, Ghana.
Yeah. So it's like home, you know, just like home. So fresh stuff, red potatoes, yam.
You can get fresh fruits.
The plantain, yeah, everything, banana, everything, yeah.
And the stall open 7 days of the week.
This place, it's called the Star.
Yes, it is. Yes,
Okay.
and it's a minute walk
From your place.
from my place.
Okay, so the Star. Okay.
Now sell my soul to no devil. Girls I sell out for Kentucky 2-piece. Drive new Jeep and a ton brute piece. Whatever you sow, then I eat you reap. Weep you a weep as you're in too deep. Why you want to walk before you creep? Money made you a freak. How you sleep? Time to we separate the goat from the sheep. Rasta laws you fi keep. And
I have to buy a pot.
Oh, okay.
Just come over here from chicken spot. Just from
$100 market there, so rice, flour, sugar, caramel, hydrate season, the right yes in a Zap Masters, all meat kind, right yes so.
What's this?
Patty.
Patty, okay.
Yeah, it's nice.
$100.
I want one.
You can try one.
Yeah. I want
You want one?
Yeah, so this is Patty, a snack.
Right yes a baby girl, right yes a baby girl, you got your popcorn, your snow cone, right yes a, right yes a, right yes.
This like meat pie with very hot afternoon snack in Kingston, Jamaica market. Man, this is so delicious, man. Ital stew. So it's Ital stew inside Jamaica.
accept my level, no me no afraid of all. Now sell my soul to no devil. Well, I know say no one can serve two masters.
So this is bami, right? Made from cassava.
We call it bami.
Bami from cassava.
Fried bami, you can get steamed or fried.
It's like Adwoatoe, but this is done like this, flat. So cassava is squeezed in the liquid, then by the chop. You have it in Ghana.
Okay.
But we roll it. After squeezing, we roll it like a ball. Then we put inside the oil.
Okay.
That's it.
We make it flat.
Wow. Man, this is Adwoatoe.
Me accept my level, no me no afraid of all. Now sell my soul to no devil, I'm not afraid to be poor.
World leader build the confidence.
Okay.
It gives the penis the authority over the vagina.
Oh, we love that. We love that.
A natural thing, man. You know the space here there. It's a natural mystic blowing through the air. If you listen carefully now, you will hear. Rastafari. You know it's part of the script, you know it's part of the Bible that full
Yeah.
from Revelation 2, from verse 1 to the end.
Okay, so that mystical song from Bob Marley, that's quotation, Revelation 2, that's what he's talking about.
Yeah. Say you have an ear,
hear.
let him hear. You have an eye, let him see. So you have to come see it for yourself. You have to hear it.
Exactly.
No one can't tell you how to live it. No one not tell about Kotikan, so you don't know. You have to come and taste it.
Exactly.
Yeah, man.